Today I have this plate that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99 with the 40% off. And I picked up this plate at the Dollar Tree. It says Happy Fall with the black and white buffalo check around the edge. And I'm going to start by using some E6000 and some hot glue and gluing the two plates together. The one from Hobby Lobby has kind of like a leather look to it. Once attached, I'm going to take some lamb's ear. I pick up this at Walmart. They have some pretty inexpensive artificial flowers. I'm going to do a spray on either side using some hot glue to keep it intact. I believe I grabbed these berries at Hobby Lobby. Again, I think they're $1.99. You want to grab them when they are on sale. And these other larger berries I picked up at the Dollar Tree as well. Just hot gluing and placing them within my lamb's ear. Now we're going to work on a bow. I'm going to go from the right and make a loop to the left. Make a loop to the right while I'm pinching and be in the center. A loop to the left. A loop to the right, and then a loop to the left. Now, as many loops as the size of your bow. So if you want a smaller bow, you're going to do less loops. If you want a larger bow, you're going to keep going. I'm going to take a piece of the same ribbon, cut a section, and I'm going to use that to tie everything together by putting that in the center and tying it from the back. Now the tip with making bows is you want to pick ribbon that has that wire rim, because now I can just shape it quite easily once it's all together. I'm going to glue this in the center of my arrangement with my lamb's ear at the top of the plate, and I'm going to use that back tie to tie it to the berries and all the other things at the top here that are already kind of glued down, and I'm going to use a little bit more glue just to make sure it stays in place. Now at this point you can take a pair of scissors and trim up your bow how you'd like it to look. As far as the tails, I wanted mine a little shorter. I like to use pinking shears. It just gives a nice edge without me having to trim it out. I'm going to take another piece of lamb's ear and I'm going to tuck it through the top to kind of fill in that gap above my bow, and maybe add a few more berries. I really thought this Happy Fall plate was adorable. It also came in one that said blessings and a few other sayings at the Dollar Tree. Thought they were very, very cute, so I wanted a way to display it. And I decided to kind of make a wall flower arrangement decor. So now let's get a hanger on the back of this. This is my easy fix to hangers. I take a popsicle stick or a craft stick, and you're going to tie jute on either side. One piece of jute that's going to go from one side to the other that you're going to tie, and that's going to be your hanger. You're going to run the glue down, the hot glue all the way down. Now I found these really large clips at the Dollar Tree, because the key with the hot glue is that you have to let it cool down for it to adhere. I love these new clips. You guys got to go grab some. They have the small ones, and now they have these really big ones that really help with crafting. And now we have a hanger to hang on the wall. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day, and thanks so much for watching.